Alright, so we are just tinkering. So one of the dumbest things I ever did to this Honda was I put glow lights under it one time. Total like stupidity. And these were like on the hood. These are windshield washers, and they have this little light on it, glows green. So I put these on the car too, which are totally stupid, and they don't work that well. So I was at the junkyard. I got some of these, so we were putting them back on to make it look better, because that looks stupid and that looks good. So trying to go back, take some of the dumb stuff I did to this car off, and then to get hooked up. I drove it earlier to the store, about halfway from here to downtown, and it drove great. So definitely can feel like a little bit of a hesitation because of the throttle cable. So we're gonna have to get that white throttle cable put on there. But other than that, it actually runs really good. There's some other stuff I want to do to it also, but yeah, got a lot more torque. It's a lot more kind of oomph whenever you press the gas. So it's kind of surprised me at first, because I'm trying to get used to switching gears again, because it feels weird. But yeah, doing pretty good. So now I'm just taking these stupid windshield washer things off. They're so stupid. And put some of these back on. Alright, so we did a little de-ricing. Got rid of those stupid things. It looks a lot better without them. One thing I'm gonna do also is came with these stupid Altezza tail lights on it. This one likes to hold a little bit of water, and I didn't really mind them. They don't look terrible, but I'm definitely gonna get some OEMs. But I found some OEMs that have like a blackout. Let me show you. They're like blacked out around it, so they look like this, except for around the edge here, where this one's not. It's totally blacked out all the way around. So it's just the edge, and then the center looks the same. And I think those will look freaking awesome. So I'm gonna get those. Then I'm gonna clean up the headlights a little bit. They need a little bit of love. They're got a little stuff on them, so I'm gonna work on that small stuff, and then get it ready, because eventually I would like to get it painted again. I still haven't made up my mind about the interior, because I'm eventually going to get racing seats for the front. When I do that, I don't know what I'm going to do with the back seat. If I want to leave it, tear it out, lighten it up. I mean, I like it having a back seat because I can take the family in it, and it does drive good. So I don't know, debating. But that's what I've done so far. We cleaned up some of these, cleaned these up, so I got these at the junkyard. They're ready. But yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna get a radio here soon, so I got another radio I'm gonna try out. I had different radios in every car, but this one I want to have the there is a Bluetooth version that runs Android, and you can tether it to the module you check the engine with, and you can basically have real-time gauges running. So now actually you can put new gauges in those pods, so I have all that. Yeah, looking pretty good, drives good. So de-rice the freaking windshield wiper things, that's good. Alrighty, you guys take it easy. Peace.